A guy took a home loan in 2006 amounting just rupees 14.5 lakh. However, despite paying rupees 20.28 lakh through regular EMI for over 13 years, the principal outstanding was still at rupees 11.03 lakh. Unfortunately, this uncommon scenario is common to many retail loans. This miserable difference in interest occurs due to different interest levying methods, which are base rate versus MCLR versus RBLR. Hello friends, Banking Daily is here to guide you all for the interest method being levied to your retail loans to save your hard-earned money from paying unnecessary loans interest. Let us first discuss the same case with more finer details. Yes, the guy took a home loan in 2006 amounting rupees 14.5 lakh. On regular EMI payment for 13 years, he paid a total of rupees 20.28 lakh. This total amount paid consists of an interest amount of rupees 17.16 lakh and principal amount of just rupees 3.12 lakh. That means major portion of EMI consists of interest only and the minor portion is of principal. Also, the loan was availed before 1st April 2016. Therefore, base rate was being charged to him, due to which even after 13 years of prepayment, he ends up with an outstanding principal of rupees 11.03 lakh from a loan of rupees 14.5 lakh. Now, what you have to do is just took off your loan documents and check out which term is mentioned with interest percentage, whether it is base rate, MCLR or RBLR. If it is base rate or MCLR, be quick to switch to RBLR because you are in the same situation paying much more interest than required. Now we're going to discuss the three interest rate method implemented by RBI. The first is base rate. The second is MCLR, stands for marginal cost of funds based lending rate. And the third is RBLR, stands for repo based lending rate, or we can say RLLR, repo linked lending rate. Base rate is applicable if the loan is availed before 1st April 2016 and charge an interest of approximately 12 to 15%. From 1st April 2016, MCLR was introduced, which straightly reduced the base rate interest to 7 to 9% MCLR. Further, from 1st October 2019, RBI implemented RBLR interest rates, which further reduced to 7.05 to 8% RBLR. In this table, a list of banks is provided comparing MCLR based home loan and repo based home loan by different banks. Clearly, repo based home loans are much cheaper than MCLR based home loan. Here it is important to note that repo based home loans are applicable to banks only and not the housing finance companies like HDFC, LIC Housing Finance, PNB Housing Finance. Now the question is why RBI is forcing to shift to external benchmark, that is repo based lending rate RBLR. We will clear the concept with an example. Recently, on 27th March 2020, RBI reduced repo rate by 75 base points. Correspondingly, it reduced repo linked rate from 7.4% to 6.65% and MCLR from 7.75% to 7.4%. Important points to note here are, first, in repo linked rate, we get an equivalent deduction of 75 base points, whereas MCLR gets a smaller deduction of 35 base points only. Second important point is new rates of RBLR are implemented from the subsequent day, whereas MCLR may take 6 months to 1 year for implementation. We can now compile the advantages of repo linked rate over MCLR. The first is repo linked rate operates with immediate effect. The second is repo linked rate is more transparent and effective. The third is once opted for repo linked rate, you cannot switch back to MCLR. The fourth is switching from base rate to MCLR or MCLR to RBLR is not automatic. You need to approach your bank with written request. Bank will proceed by charging one-time fee. This flow chart explains us how switching over from MCLR to repo linked rate saves your interest outgo. A loan of rupees 30 lakh when linked with MCLR was charging 7.5% interest, but switching to repo linked rate it reduced to 7.15%. It thereby reduced the tenure of your loan from 216 months to 206 months. That means 10 EMIs are saved by you, amounting 2.52 lakh by just switching from MCLR to RBLR. Hope you get to know the importance of linking your retail loans to RBLR. That's all for today. We'll meet with more banking information. Till then, keep smiling and subscribing the channel.